ganda. Ayok akong... Macbook Pro 2022. 21. Yeah. And for today's video, we are going to unbox the latest... Hey everyone! My name is Yeye and welcome back to my channel. And I am so back in YouTube. Welcome back to me! After 4 months of not uploading, for today's video, we are going to unbox the newest and the latest 2021 MacBook Pro with 14. And for today's video, we are going to unbox the newest and the latest MacBook Pro 2021 with M1 Pro chip. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. But before anything else, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new video kagaya nito. I'm so excited, guys. After a year of dreaming to have a MacBook Pro, finally, hinintay ko talagang mag-release ang Apple ng new MacBook this 2021. So, I am so excited, and on my birthday, I finally got a new MacBook Pro. Ang bigat. Mabigat siya, in fairness. Okay, so, what I got is the base model. So, it's MacBook Pro 14-inch with, I will show you the specs here, with 8-core CPU, 14-core GPU, 16GB unified memory, and 512 SSD storage. Okay, and the color is space gray. I got space gray, pero ang pinakagusto ko talaga na makuha is the silver. Pero unfortunately, because sobrang out of stock and kailangan talaga siyang mabili. Kaya sabi ko talaga, feeling ko space gray ang meant to be sa akin. So, tinanggap ko na talaga wholeheartedly. Sabi ko, ito na talaga yung meant to be. Kasi sobrang, at least parang mga 2 weeks kami naghanap for silver and then yung specs. Pero wala talaga kaming nakita. And most importantly, ang pinakamahalaga is English keyboard. Kasi dito sa Dubai, usually ang mga available is Arabic and English. So, hindi ko naman kailangan ng Arabic keyboard. So, sabi ko, pag nakita ko ng English keyboard, any color, basta yun ng specs, kukunin ko na. So, tada! So, before, you already know that the MacBook Pro is 13-inch, and now, yung pinakamaliit is 14-inch and 16-inch. So, there are two options, 14 and 16. And for the chip, there are M1 Pro chip, and there is M1 Max chip. So, for me, I prefer the M1 Pro because, for me, I got the M1 Pro chip firstly, because hindi ko naman siya sobrang kailangan talaga yung M1 Max. Kasi nga, gagamitin ko lang siya for editing my videos, and for like the normal stuff. So now, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's unbox this baby. Ito na! Oh, I'm so excited. Finally! I got this a week ago, pero now ko lang siyang i-unbox after my birthday. So, this is actually my birthday present to myself. This is it! This is it! Oh my God! Open ko na. Ito na! Ito na! Oh, ganda! Ayok akong tissue! Oh, eh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ito na siya! Ang bigat niya! Ito na siya, guys! And inside the box, of course, makikita natin na charging cable and the amazing instruction manual. Let's see kung ano nasa loob. Of course, andito yung mga instructions. Medyo makapal siya compared sa mga phone and other Apple devices. So, instructions, and we have a black sticker! Yay! I'm so happy. Kahit hindi ko naman ginagamit ang black sticker. 2 stickers. I think kahit anong color, silver or space gray, the color of the sticker is black. And the head of the charger and the charger. Ano ba to? So beautiful. Then just slide it. Guys, imagine nyo yung pagkaka-arrange nung packaging nitong charger is amazing. Like, yeah, saktong-sakto, di ba? See? Saktong-sakto. Napakaganda ng packaging. Good job, Apple. So, we have the charger here, guys. Probably this is 2 meters. Yes, maybe 2 meters. So, ang dulo niya is MagSafe, and this side is ano to? USB Type-C. And this side is USB Type-C. Now the box is empty. Finally, we can open the precious MacBook Pro. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Hindi ako makapaniwala ang akin to. Promise. Hindi ko alam na magkakaganito ako. Hey guys, so finally this is the new MacBook Pro. Buksan na natin! Then ito yung likod niya with the logo, with the name MacBook Pro. And sa front is ganyan. So take note that this is space gray. So ganito yung color ng space gray. And yung thickness niya is yan. Ganito siya sa likod, sa side, and then sa front. Okay? Now let's open! Guys, this is it! Finally, it's open! Bukas na siya. Huh? Sara. Ah! So, yes. Sobrang ganda niya. At sobrang linaw niya. Yun ang masasabi ko. it's my first time actually to be a MacBook user. So, from Windows to Apple. So, I will make a review about this, kung ano yung experience ko as a new MacBook Pro user. And, I will make a separate video for that. But for now, after the setup, so ito na siya guys. Sobrang happy ko. Sobrang ganda niya. And, yun nga, before, ito, wala siyang nudge. Ano tawag doon?
Notch.
Wala siyang notch. So para siyang yung sa phone natin ngayon. Okay, ganyan. So, parang slightly parang full screen. So, maybe, sa next MacBook, wala na yan. Camera na lang talaga siya. So, I think that is it for my unboxing. I will make a separate video for the review and for the kung ano ba yung mga setup or customization na gagawin ko for my new MacBook Pro. I'm so excited! And also yung mga accessories na bibilin ko for the MacBook. So, sobrang excited na ako. So, tapusin ko na itong video. So, that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you love about this video. And kung meron kayong mga suggestions about my next video, please do not forget or hesitate to comment down below. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I have new video kagaya nito. Thanks so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye-bye! Wala. Ano ba to? Hindi ako marunong gumamit. Thank God, finally. May problema. Hindi ako marunong gumamit. Alam niyo yun? Yung parang nagsiset up ako, ikiklik ko pa lang ganun, kailangan pa lang i-press na madiin para mag-continue. Hindi ako marunong. Ganun pala siya. So, gagawa ako ng video na separate kung paano ba gumamit ng MacBook. Why not? Gagawa ko ng separate video. Ay! Unlock Mac with Apple Watch.